there guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great time. And today's video is going to be about this eye makeup look. So this is the soft brown eye makeup look. I have been wanting to do this video for a long time now, but I have not been able to do it. I don't know why, but yeah, it's finally up there on my channel. A makeup look, an eye makeup look, and I bet you guys this is better than the previous one, which was on a smoky eye look. If you guys haven't watched it, you can always click on the eye link above and watch that video. So I really love this eye makeup look. Do watch till the end to know how you can do it, because it's very simple, just 3 steps. Yeah, now lots of chit chat. Now let's move to today's tutorial. So I'm going to use this particular brush. This is a fluffy brush. So this brush is like fluffy enough to blend in the color. Also guys, my palette is a little broken, don't mind it. And yeah, so I'm going to use this particular shade. This is the brown shade that I'm going to use. I have used this shade several times and I totally love the color of the shade. It's really nice. So I've picked, and this is too much, so you don't have to pick that much, otherwise it would be a complete mess. Just don't do that. Whoa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the outer corner of my eye. So I'm going to start over here. So I'm just gonna fill in the color and extend it towards the outside so that there's a shape that is created. Now it's better to pick less color in the beginning and then slowly build up the color, because that way you have control over how the shadow is going to look onto eye. If you pick up a lot of color in the beginning like I did, then it would be a real mess and you will have to actually wipe off the entire color and you have to start from the beginning. So just don't do that. Now I think I've blended the color really well, you can see guys. Now I'm going to pick a little bit. Okay, my tongue slips a lot. Okay, so I'm going to pick a little bit more, and then I'm going to again go into the crease. Ouch. Okay, now we can just correct the errors later on. So we're just going to get back into the crease, bring up the color. I just want the color to pop my eyes up. You're new to my channel and you haven't ever heard about this girl named Shivi, then you really need to subscribe to my channel to watch more such content. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you guys are notified when is my video uploaded on YouTube, and you could come and watch me and be with me guys.